Okay, welcome to the case study on making a modification to an existing confirmation email. So you can see here we've had a request, can we add the date and time to a confirmation email? And if I scroll down, the client sent us here the existing confirmation email. And what we're going to do is go in and actually add just above this event link here the date and time for the event. Let me jump over. I am now in the EMS and signed in, and here's the event in question. I'm going to click on the View Edit, and I'm now at the Publish tab here, and I'm going to scroll down and find the confirmation email. I'm going to scroll over here, and I'm going to click on Edit. When I edit the email, I've got the email name up top, I've got the subject line of the email, and here you can see that we've actually got the system tag of event name, which means that the subject line is going to say registration confirmation : event name, and it's a type of email is called confirmation. I'm going to scroll down. Here's the HTML. I'm going to click on the HTML editor. And what we're going to do is just come in here and add. So what first thing we're going to do is just add a new bullet, and we're going to add event date. And then I'm going to click on tags, because what I want to do is just use one of our event date tags. And if I scroll down, you can see I've got multiple different date types. We've got date dash, we've got date Europe for European date, we've got date format. What I'm going to do is most commonly used is what we call date standard, so it'll actually have the month, day, and year. So I'm just going to click on the add button there. We're going to add that. Now you notice that it's added it in bold, and I don't want that, so I'm going to go back and just highlight it here and turn the bold off. And then we're going to hit enter, and now we're going to have event time, and I'm going to add the tag for the event time. Scroll down here to the time tags. Here we go. We've got time 12 and time 24, so I'm actually going to use the 12-hour time versus the 24-hour clock, and I'm going to add that to there. And I want that bold, so I'm going to highlight that, and we're going to make that bold. And so now we've got the event date, the event time, and even though they didn't ask for it, but because it's kind of common, I'm going to add the event duration. So that's typically what we have in a lot of these emails. So I'm going to grab the tag again, and I'm going to come down here to duration. I've got two options. I can do duration hours or duration minutes. So if it's going to be a longer program, many times you want to have it listed as hours and minutes. If it's a shorter program, you can just do it in minutes. Since I know this is a 60-minute program, I'm just going to go ahead and do it in minutes. So now we've got duration minutes, we've got the event link, we've got the telephone instructions, and everything looks good on that. So I'm going to do an update and close. Actually, before I leave here, what I'm going to do, because we have to actually go edit the text version now, I'm going to copy those things that we added, highlight them, and just do a copy. So now I'm going to do an update and close. Now I'm back to the screen with the email, and I'm going to scroll down here to the confirmation part, the text part, and as you can see, we need to add the same information here. So I'm just going to paste it in here, what I copied, and just add a little bit of formatting here. So now we've got the event date, time, and duration in both the HTML version as well as the text version. And I click update. And the next step is I would typically go back and register, send that confirmation to myself to test it. Thanks again. We'll talk to you on another session soon.